today with the lovely Rowena, who has done one of my Thrive programs. She is a superstar and has had a really great results. And I am so privileged that I have got to know her and be able to work together with her. And she's really an awesome human. So today she is sharing some of her experience, maybe like what her life was before, maybe some of her frustrations before. She had a really great transformation, body comp transformation. So we'll talk a bit about that because I know myself, the body composition stuff was a real frustration for me. So I get that a lot of women are in that spot. So I'm excited for her to share kind of what she learned and how she manifested that for herself. But maybe Rowena, start with like letting us know what your situation was before we started working together, kind of where you were, where you felt stuck, the maybe the education gaps that you didn't know, or actually even how we came to be together. I don't like, how did we connect? Like, I would love
Yeah,
to hear that.
sure. So I started pulling information. I kind of was watching Dr. Vonda Wright and Dr. Mary Claire Haver because, perimenopause and menopause had been in the news, and I like to kind of keep an eye on health and wellness a little bit. And I knew I was entering that part of my life. And I could see some of the things happening, and I thought, okay, what am I going to do about this? I'm not going to sit idly by and let it just roll over me. So I was sort of following them, and I think it might have been Dr. Vonda Wright that might have shared one of your posts. And so then I found you, and I realised that I heard you talk, and I'm like, oh, she's a Kiwi, which always sits better with me to have someone local. And then, of course, obviously found out that you were actually in Australia. And so I went, great. This is, because even though I love the American stuff's relevant, but it's not quite as relevant as having someone in our own backyard. Um, so I then followed you and just kind of watched. I'm a great gatherer of information. I tend to sit back and kind of decipher what's going on. And then I think he might have shared Vonda Wright's book and said you were going to go through it about the same time that you were kicking off a free protein challenge. And I think I contacted you and said, look, I've got some puzzle pieces, but I just don't think I'm not quite getting it together myself. I think you might be the person that can help me stitch it all together. And then that's when, we talked about Thrive and I jumped in with that. But initially came from that starting the protein challenge. And I knew I should be eating a certain level of protein, but I knew that I wasn't doing it very well. So that's kind of
Yeah.
it.
I think you touched on something quite important, that you had some of the puzzle pieces, because I use this puzzle analogy a lot, that there's like
Mm.
lots of pieces of the puzzle that we can bring together. So you had some of the pieces, and like you just said, we generally know like we should be eating clean and we should be eating healthy and we should be hitting our protein. We're hearing about it, but putting it together, and especially by ourselves, is like a completely different situation. I think this day and age with social media, which there's lots of benefits for social media, but it can be very confusing as well because there's so much information. It's almost like a information overload, and then there's like do this and this and this and this, and then we do nothing.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I
And
can see why we get into this kind of situation where we're overwhelmed and then we just do nothing and then we're just not getting
yeah.
anywhere.
Or you invest in the wrong thing, right? Like time is a precious commodity in everybody's life, and you don't want to put the time into something that is not going to actually give you results in the end. And yeah, that was, I think, like I said, because I'm such a gatherer of information and I kind of get all my stuff together, and then I'm like, right, I'm really sure of this. And that's what I felt about your program once I'd done the free protein challenge. I thought, yeah, no, I'm sure about this. This fits with what I think needs to happen. So,
Cool. And so talk us through like what did you like most about the program? What
um,
what
yeah, I think what I liked most was, once again, it ticked. what I had gathered already, like that information, and it all lined up. I was after strength more than anything when I think I first started. I knew that that was something that I needed to build. And so I really liked, like, I liked seeing images of you working out and going, oh, she's walking, not just talking the talk, she's walking the walk. And I really liked that, uh, learning how to, I suppose, track, making sure my nutrition was on track and that I was actually doing the right thing for that, so that all the effort I was trying to put in the gym was actually going where it's supposed to go. And that was really clear. So that deeper level of education, I suppose, was one of the things I really enjoyed too. So the guest speakers, and I think the education modules that you put into the app, those I really loved getting those, and filtering through that information and trying to take it on board.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
And now you did do the nutrition upgrade because we're going to
Mm-hmm.
talk about your fat loss journey. So
Yep.
I think this is the pain point that we see. And I know, like those of you who follow me know, I just did my own transformation recently. And it's really because it made me feel more confident and happy in my own skin and in my own clothes, right? And that transfers to feeling more confident and empowered and happy. And when we don't feel like that, then it can make us feel crap. Like, well, that's my experience. And so I know it's a real pain point for women. And I think there's a lot of confusion, especially now we're seeing like GLP-1s and people microdosing, and it's getting even more like crazy. Um, so you also had body composition goals. You did do the nutrition upgrade, which is something that is like an optional upgrade that you can do in the program, and it gives you like a your personal nutrition plan, so you know how many calories, the macros. We get on a call and talk it through, so you've got strategies. So talk us through, because you had like a really great transformation.
Yeah, so I feel like I guess the best way to describe that experience is almost being given the keys to the kingdom, because I finally get it. I finally understand. Because as you said, like Instagram and all social media is full of all this information about how you just eat clean and you can lose weight. And I think I was eating fairly healthy, but I was just eating too much of the healthy stuff. And I think once we had the call and I understood what, where my macros, where my nutrition needed to be supported, and the ideas, like the strategies for coping with if you are in a deficit, strategies for coping with that. And but the fact that your recipes were so good too, because they're built for making you feel fuller even if you're eating in a deficit. And I think that once I got all that together, and I sort of went, oh, this is actually not that hard. Like, I understand now, and I felt like I had control over what I wanted to eat, how I wanted to eat it, and the weight just started to drop. It just started to drop off. And so once we build those non-negotiables in, that of the movement and all that kind of stuff, I think I've always been a fairly active person anyway, but it was just that nutrition side of things that I wasn't getting right. And so once I engaged that, yeah, it just fell and fell and fell. So um, I think in the end I think it was nearly 10 kilos in the end that I lost overall. And that wasn't even really
So
my
good.
goal.
So
Yeah,
good.
it wasn't even really my goal. Like, I was more focused on that. I want to build the strength, but that just came as a part of eating the protein, doing the movement, etc. So yeah.
That's
Um,
right. And actually, if I remember rightly, when we started and you did the nutrition upgrade, you had put your calories or you'd put your numbers into my fitness pal, and there was quite a huge discrepancy between what you got and then what I gave you. And I
yeah.
think this is quite a good lesson to highlight, because these days we are all asking chat for everything, or we're going on and thinking, right, like I don't need help with this. Like, but actually, what you were following was why you weren't getting your body composition goals.
Yeah.
And as soon as we got you on track, it just fell into
Yeah.
place, didn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. And I think the mindset stuff too, the journaling, the locking in, like, I mean, I am one of those people that if I decide I'm going to do something, I will do it, boots and all. But just the locking in and going, well, this is. We talk about putting our own oxygen mask on first, and I'm starting to lean more towards that as I get older. I think we all tend to a little bit. And so I thought, yeah, well, I'm doing this for me. So
Yeah.
once I made that decision and locked in with everything, yeah, it just, like you said, it just becomes part of who you are.
Yeah. And do you think because we have weekly calls on the program, do you think being able to get on those each week and stay accountable and be able to kind of like check in, kind of test, retest, like that was an integral part of the process for you?
Yeah, I think obviously having that rest of the community out there and the other girls, talking about what they were doing or people sharing kind of, their wins, but also their losses, like, the days when it went sideways. And so that you could go, well, yeah, other people are experiencing that too, but that's life. We dust ourselves off and we keep going. Yeah, and just the support, like things would happen and people would get in and comment. And yeah, it was really good to have everybody there in the background. Enjoyed that.
I think that is interesting too because, like you mentioned, life happens. And it can sometimes not even be that it's a major life event or illness, or it can be like you've just had a crap day, and next minute, like there's no motivation. But because you're like jumping on a call and you're listening to everyone else and they're sharing, and like it brings this motivation. And I think too, in all honesty, and I'm gonna be clear on this. When you commit to something and you pay money for it, like obviously I've just run another free protein challenge, like half of the people just didn't even turn up, and that's because it's free.
Yeah.
And because you've just done it, it's awesome. I actually coach like I would if you were paying for it for the
Mm,
week. And
yeah.
so these people, they just don't even turn up because they've got no skin in the game. So when you have actually paid the money and you're like, I am going to get the most out of this, you get on the call and you
Mm,
make the most out of it, even if you don't feel like it. And that's also testimony. Like, I will give you a pat on the back. You were on every call, you were on, like, you would always be in the chat. Like, so that, and the reason I'm kind of pointing that out is because that's why you got success. Like,
mm.
I've given you all of the tools, I've given you the roadmap, but you did it. Like, like it's not me, it's you. And
Yeah.
that's because you committed. And so that's the cool part of the process too.
Yeah, absolutely. And I think the fact that yeah, like you said, you pay for it and you think, well, if I'm going to do this, I might as well do it properly. And I knew that, yeah, every time we got on and had a call, you'd get some kind of tidbit of information. Either somebody would bring something up they were struggling with, and you would then talk them through maybe how to solve that, or it would just be some educational material that you were bringing to the moment. And I knew there was going to be bang for my buck. Like I was going to get something out of that call no matter what, even when I was like, oh, it's such a busy day and I've got so much going on. But it really is making that appointment time for yourself to, you know, to look after you, I guess, and invest in that.
Yeah. Like we say, put your own oxygen mask on first, right?
Yeah, yeah, 100%. Yeah.
So you would have listened to some videos like this probably before you came and did the Thrive program. What
Mm-hmm.
would you say to someone listening to this who maybe they're feeling unsure, maybe they've tried like every diet under the sun, maybe their confidence is low, maybe they're like frustrated with their body composition, all the things that we both have felt before. What would your advice be?
My advice would be that you owe it to yourself, really. Like at this, if you can't invest in yourself at this point in your life, and really it's that, as Vonda Wright and Mary Claire say, Dr. Mary Claire say, if you're not going to do it now, you're not really, when are you going to do it? Because now is the time, and you're going to see the benefits down the track. So you're investing in future you. And that's how I see it. Like I think, well, I'm investing in future me and my, not just my lifespan, but my health span. So yeah, you owe it to yourself, I think, to do that.
Well, I can assure you, and I'm sure you'll back me up, that your August 25 self, before you started the program, is absolutely thanking you now for the results that
100%.
you have achieved.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah. And it's really gratifying when, we don't look for, well, I don't always look for external endorsement, but it's nice when people notice, they say, oh, gee, you look really fit, or you're looking really healthy, and that kind of thing. And that's really nice to get as well.
Yeah, it makes you feel good, right? And there's nothing
Yeah.
wrong with that. Like, we should
No.
all be feeling good. And just because we hit this midlife stage doesn't mean that we shouldn't be rocking it and feeling great and feeling confident and happy and empowered. Like, we should. We
Yeah.
we deserve that.
Yeah. And that's, apart
Go
from the
us.
whole, yeah, absolutely. And apart from the whole, like the weight loss and everything, which I had great success with, yeah, the other side effect is that I am stronger. I have got a lot more energy. Any symptoms that I have had in the past are starting to, they're in the background, like, they're never going to go away, but I am way more able to cope with that because I'm looking after every other aspect of my health. And I just couldn't see myself going back to the way I was. So yeah,
It's
it's just that empowerment to
it's so
be looking
exciting.
after you. Yeah, yes.
So
So I can't
exciting. I'm
thank you
so
enough.
proud of you. You've done so well. And thank you so much for sharing today. I truly appreciate it. And I'm so blessed that we get to work together. So thank you for your share today. I truly appreciate it.
You're welcome, and thank you for everything you've done. I really appreciate your insight and your education as well.
Well, I like, honestly, I get to do something that I love. Like, helping people be better is just so rewarding. So I just feel blessed every day. So
Yeah,
thank you for being here, Rowena.
nice. That's okay. Thank you for having me.